Hey guys, it's Kate. Happy Tuesday. I'm coming today to talk to you guys about some healthy side dishes for our upcoming holiday, the 4th of July. I know that traditional day's menu typically involves some type of barbecue, which can be a good option. All your barbecued meats, whether that be chicken, hamburger patties, some healthy meat options, but oftentimes those side items might not be the healthiest choice. A creamy potato salad, a creamy pasta salad, different types of chips and dips may not be the best option to pair with your meats. And so I wanted to offer you guys some options that are recipes with ingredients that are in season. All of these are going to be fruit or vegetable based, which I find to be a good rule of thumb when going to a gathering and offering to bring a dish, because oftentimes there are plenty of non-fruit or vegetable options available. Some of the things that I mentioned earlier. And this way it'll give you a healthy option that you can have. All of these are very pretty. You'll see some of them are very festive for our holiday. And it'll give you something that you know that you can have more of and a good option to pair with whatever proteins are being offered. So I'm going to post all of these recipes on our Facebook page so that you can go and get them yourself. But I wanted to show you guys first what I found. So if you'll look here, this is let me try to get it. There we go. This is a very pretty berry salad with almond cranberry crusted goat cheese, and they're using some of the dried cranberries. We could also do that with dried blueberries, which would make it very pretty and very festive for our 4th of July celebration. Another option is this pretty, I don't know if how well you can see it, but like I said, I'm going to post it all on the Facebook page. This is sauteed Brussels sprouts with pancetta. So the pancetta that is used, it's not very much, but enough to give you some good flavor on those shaved Brussels sprouts. And this looks very, very tasty, nice and smoky with the pancetta, which might pair well with some barbecue. A great option in place of the traditional potato salad. This is actually a cauliflower-based potato salad. So a great option, especially for our patients that are before 6 months post-op, where our starches are restricted. This would be a great option for you to have on hand. High in protein with our boiled egg, low in fat, as well as carbohydrates. And then lastly, this was my favorite. This is a watermelon caprese salad with a balsamic glaze. Super festive for the 4th, and a great option with some in-season watermelon, paired well with some saltier fresh mozzarella cheese, and that balsamic drizzle just gives it the perfect level of acidity to pair with the sweet and salty nature of the watermelon and the mozzarella cheese. So 4 good options that I think would be beautiful side dishes to bring to a party or to have at your house. I think your guests or your friends and family would be very impressed with your choices, and I think they'd love them as well. Not just for the bariatric patient, but healthy in general for all of us. I think I might be making these for my 4th of July celebration. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to call. Thanks again, and have a great rest of your week.